Imagine this: a tiny creature smaller than a grain of sand comes screaming through space and moving so fast it could circle the Earth 7 times in 1 second. It's not a meteor or an alien spaceship. It's a tardigrade, the toughest creature on the planet, and it's traveling at the speed of light. What would happen when it hits Earth? Would it even matter if it's that small? Let's determine how much damage it would do. But first, what are tardigrades? Tardigrades, or water bears, are famous for being almost indestructible. They can survive radiation, freezing, boiling, even the vacuum of space. They can be found in soil, fresh water, and anywhere outdoors if you search for them using a microscope. But what if instead of just floating around, one was launched at us at 299,792,458 meters per second, the universal speed limit? First off, there's a catch. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, anything with mass can't actually reach the speed of light without requiring infinite energy. So, for this thought experiment, we're ignoring the laws of physics just to see what would happen if it could, and spoiler, it's going to get violent. A tardigrade is tiny, about 0.5 millimeters long and maybe 0.5 milligrams of mass. That's roughly between 20 to 200 times smaller than a ladybug. But when you pack mass with speed, things get weird. The kinetic energy of an object is given by E equals 1/2 mv superscript 2. Except here, v is the speed of light. In simpler terms, that's about the equivalent of 5,400 tons of TNT exploding in 1 instant, or about the energy released by a small nuclear bomb. Yes, that's right. One single microscopic tardigrade hitting the Earth at light speed would detonate with the force of a tactical nuke. The moment it slams into Earth, the tardigrade itself would be obliterated, vaporized into a shockwave of pure energy. A blinding flash of light, hotter than the surface of the sun, would erupt. The shockwave rips outward faster than sound, flattening anything in a small radius. Nearby air molecules would turn into plasma. Even though the explosion wouldn't wipe out the planet like the Lego in my recent video, but it would definitely level a city. And here's the wild part: because it's moving at the speed of light, from the tardigrade's own perspective, time wouldn't even exist. It would hit Earth instantly the moment it starts moving, no matter how far away it began. From our perspective, though, it could have been traveling for years, maybe since the birth of the solar system, and we never know until the flash. So what do we take away from this? Size doesn't matter when you have relativistic speed. Even the smallest object can unleash catastrophic energy if it's moving fast enough. It's why real astrophysicists worry about projectiles in space. Meteoroids moving at fractions of the speed of light could cause devastation without warning. So next time you see a tardigrade under a microscope, remember, they may be tiny, cute, and slow, but if one ever came at us at the speed of light, we wouldn't even see it coming. If you enjoyed, consider subscribing for more interesting facts and the latest news about outer space.